Now it's time for the turn up. This is the quiet before the storm. These are like moments that you remember like forever. You remember these moments forever.
You can turn on the crazy page for passengers.
Not what other liquor, no.
Okay, pineapples or peaches?
Peaches.
Yeah, so we could just drink this instead of getting shots.
Yeah.
Or we could just get one shot to celebrate.
I think it's this.
Straight to the liquor store. It's ridiculous.
Kailyn, we can't drink it.
What?
Why did you say that before? Why you didn't know you guys wanted to drink it?
Yeah. This is Kobe. This is Jada. Bar number 3. No, 2. Watch my back. Where are you going?
Just keep track.
To a great trip.
Water.
For my YouTube video. Why are you laughing? I see palm trees. Just picked up our car, you guys. I was saying we just picked up the car. Period.
Like,
There's a liquor store, ouch, right here that we're gonna go to. Ow. Hi. Hey.
we want to zoom. Okay.
Oh, that's nothing we're interested in.
A sale on the Zoom?
Can't lie, that Terramana do me wrong every time. What?
Did he have a bigger
Okay. This one's $129.99.
All right.
129?
Yeah, you want it?
How much is the big one?
$249.
Yeah, absolutely. Shot. I'm finna tell why. This is the B&B. It's so cute. Period. And then y'all should have a balcony in there. Let's see. Vibes. I'll work my way up here. So cute. Period. That's crazy. But that would have been a vibe. Bathroom. Probably complimentary.
I would assume complimentary.
Yeah, me too. Give y'all a tour. This is cute. Look at y'all balcony. We're currently in Miami with the vibes. Period. This is our patio. Anyways, so we're about to get ready. It is 7:37. We are about to get ready and we're going to Kiki on the river tonight, just to start the trip off with vibes, good food, good energy. We got the music going. We got the bottles out. Our Airbnb host left us some Prosecco. We got this for the boat. Vibes. Got us some rosé. And we got us some Dawn, because why not? Period. Life is great. Life is great. Life is beautiful. Now it's time for the turn up. This is the quiet before the storm. Hair done. Makeup is just about done, guys. I'm getting some better life.
Know you probably tired on the lies. Know you probably think that you can find another guy, but not this. When you signed up, I can't probably study all into my time with you.
Now I'm gonna do my
cheesing like this life is slamming. I'm fat. Tell me what's good for me, but I don't care. Wanna give no good for my.
This is the combo.
Can't be with.
Period. We don't care about none of that shit. We keep it around whatever make us happy. And why make us happy is our business. Valentino, this is the coral one. And then I have the Valentino. This is the Born in Roma. And then I bought my good girl Baccarats. I don't know what I want to smell like tonight. I'll show y'all the thing in a minute. It eats down. And we're currently at Kiki on the river. I've always wanted to come here, you guys. Dinner was about $600 in total. It was pretty good. And I am driving, so I'm not gonna be able to vlog. Okay guys, so I just recorded a whole video and I thought I already hit record, and evidently not, because I'm sitting here re-recording this video. But anyways, after Kiki on the river, we went and picked my cousin up from the airport. She got here around 1 something, so we just went there after Kiki on the river. So now we just vibing, we just chilling. It's like 3:15 in the morning, and we're just chilling. But anyways, I think that ends day freaking 1 in Miami. Just waking up. We're finna get ready to go to brunch.
I love you.
This is my view.
Of course, I'm gonna call you. You
Tell
going to
me
the club
happy
tonight?
birthday vlog.
Say hi to the vlog. Ooh.
But yeah, we're gonna get ready for brunch. And the yacht is today, so.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna call you when
Tune
we're
in.
both drunk and we're gonna take shots.
Yeah. This is the yacht fit. It's eating down real bad. Real bad. Real bad. Musty, but I'm ready for the yacht. We're gonna go to brunch. We're gonna go to Amercian Social. And then we're just gonna head straight to the yacht place so we don't be late or anything like that. This is the fit. Like I said, shirt from Fashion Nova, skirts also from Fashion Nova, and shoes are from Fashion Nova. This is my cousin who I went and got from the airport last night. Hey. So I think that's all I need. I need to put on some sunscreen from downstairs. I got my bags packed for the yacht. We're gonna change on the yacht just because we can. Hi. Thank you.
I'll take it. Or fake it or something. You could have faked it. Oh.
Period. Yeah. Feels good to be a young girl in your 20s. Love a top down. Period. This is our ride. I don't know if I ever showed you guys. You found it? Did you kill it?
No, it ran.
Period.
Ow!
So you want me to sit back here with the spider?
I think you'll be fine. Once you
Huh.
move it, it ain't gonna
I'll jump out the car, knowing me. I did it before with a wasp when my mama wouldn't stop. Here, get this.
Hi you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jada, the Stallion.
What kind of spider is this?
Make sure you follow and subscribe to Kailynn's channel.
Period.
11 stone, pair shoes, 12 feet. Fucking on niggas' ass like Blake Griffin. He keep talking, bro, gon' leave his face missing.
We are now at Amercian Social in Brickell. It's on a river.
I did 2 hours. Is that okay?
Kobe Wobe.
2 hours?
Yeah. Look at all these yachts, you guys.
They're too calm for me. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, they get a lot of yelling when
My iPhone gave me
Let's brunch. I just think because she wanted like tropical. I got fries and buffalo.
I'm looking for the
Getting on a yacht. Yeah, you look good. Period. Yeah. Oh, it's so hot. The photographer on board. Very. It's so fire.
Oh, it is. The
quality is. Shot time. Okay. Michaela, what time is it? Shot time. Batty shot o'clock. And they mode, yeah. Bring Azul over here, babe. This is where we at, y'all. You'll never live a life like this. Especially living now. Alright, y'all. We just vibing on. So the jet skis, I'm not gonna drive one, but I definitely will be a participant.
Out here in Miami, the vibes.
Where you been?
I've been trying to get dressed so I can take some pictures, but I'm lit.
Period.
Okay. Hey guys, it's Markaya here, and I just want to say, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to Kiki's YouTube. And yeah.
Period.
I keep it real, you really body knife, it's who you style to get a judge. Why the hell you ain't the clothes on, or we can be in.
Take a shot for them. Yeah, shot o'clock.
1, 2, 3.
Yay! Hi.
For you, get them sent on one call and my niggas 10 tough.
Oh, hey, you too. Yeah. Kailyn. We out here in Miami. Seen it first. Here we go.
Go Philly, big carrier out here.
Okay. TikTok, shout out.
Watch this.
We're at Nikki Beach, you guys. Perfect, thank you. The daiquiris are here. Cheers. In the ocean, you guys. Oh my gosh, hi. All right, y'all, we have made it to the strip. Can I see your snake? Look at it, y'all. Okay, not too close. Link back up with Eric. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Still packed out here.
Somebody
Tout.
Word, man. TylianMTB in the building, man.
Okay.
We out here getting the vlogs going, getting interviews going. Motion Boys Entertainment, man. Detroit shit, man. Y'all see?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, man. Detroit shit in the city, man. Y'all see
Period.
Y'all see the jersey.
What they finna do, a TikTok? We're at this daiquiri place. Period. What y'all get? Baby mama and just vibing on the strip, y'all. Look at his drink.
Hey y'all, we in Miami and shit. Yeah, and they still want to drink. Like, bitch, I can't take it. I can't take it no more. My name is Jada, aka the Stallion.
Hi. My name is Kobe. I'm Kailyn.
Oh, what's up, you guys? My name is Tay. Hey, I fell off the boat yesterday.
Hunxho, we in Miami, we in the Yami. We turned. Everybody's drunk.
Hey guys, my name is Markaya. Welcome back to my channel. It's His Life with Markaya, bitch.
Yesterday on the strip, my camera died and my phone died, but we was on the strip from what? From like 4 to 10. We was on the strip mad long, but we had a ball, okay? We was at this restaurant called Cafe something. And we was just sitting there chilling, y'all. We had like 3 bottles in that restaurant. We had like 3 bottles in that restaurant, sitting there drinking and them folk stuff, but we also was spending money. We bought hookahs. We bought what, 50 wings? We bought 50 wings. Them wings was busting. We bought like 50 wings. The restaurant gave us shots because they was messing with us so hard. They gave us some shots.
We have no problem. You just sit there.
Yeah, the restaurant loved us. I might go back today. I don't know about y'all, but I miss my friends. But not for real. So after the restaurant, a couple of my friends were, you know, having a lot of fun, so we had to bring them back to the Airbnb. And then after that, we changed to go to a yacht party. They played. I'm talking about we pulled up to 5, 6, 7, 10 different locations. Eric, tell them how we pulled up to several locations, bro.
Swear to God, we pulled up. And guess what they said? They said they got the fight on the yacht, so the captain didn't want to drive us no more.
Mind you, in the midst of all this saying they didn't cancel the yacht and stuff, we still looking for the yacht. Still can't even find it. Mind you, we stay right here on the bay where the yachts are. So we like, where are y'all? Because we don't see y'all. Okay, y'all. So after we couldn't find the yacht, we was like, cool. Like, what's next? Like, what we gonna do? Where we gonna go? So, there was this pool party. We get there. They talking about you can't park right here by the house. You gotta follow the shuttle bus, and the bus gonna take you to a location, and you gotta ride the bus back to the house. Mind you, entry was $100. It was just too much. It was too much going on. Entry $100. We like, what? To get in a house? What? Bro. So then after that, I got invited to a private kickback. And like I said, no, my phone was charged by this time, but I had to turn my phone in, so I can't even speak on where I went. Y'all, my stylist is on the phone. Say what's up.
What it do?
Period. We're finna go to Victory Lounge. Reservations at 4. It's currently 2 o'clock, and we still waiting on Eric, so.
I've been somewhere, but I'm always right. I'll tell you twice. I need some shade. I'm real.
Finally made it.
I said, yee.
Woke up talking about she gonna cook for me.
The baddest
female in the motherfucking Miami.
Period. You gotta pay the price. Nice. Funny videos, I don't know. Hi, puppy. I heard you were a wild one.
Can I get a picture of you real quick?
Nope. It's a camera.
Ain't no camera.
No, thank you. It is a camera, I swear to God. It's good quality. It's okay. I don't like that. Thank you. Oh.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Shout out Rick Breezy 639.
What? Breezy 639. Okay.
Sorry with you, rapping boys 639. You heard me?
639.
What's up, man? You on vlog? Baltimore shit, man.
You're straight out of
East Baltimore. East Baltimore.
straight out of East Baltimore.
Out of you. Stack back.
Daddy shot a club. Literally on the strip with Boston Richey.
Whole lot of that, you feel me? Whole lot of that.
Betty's off-white.
Hunxho me, y'all see what's going on, man. My name's Falcon, y'all.
Where you at? What the fuck? Oh, hi. I didn't know you still have my camera.
Stop.
Miami, you feel me? Dropping J's, man. Rest up lat, you feel me?
Period.
NHG. Dropping J, nigga. Christian, baby.
On YouTube.
I'm sorry.
Nice to meet y'all. What is this, a vlog?
Yes.
My name. What is YouTube? Wiggins Boy 2. Go follow me.
Now trying to dodge it. What? It turns by itself.
No, that bit's cold.
It is. It's hard. It was only $300.
Only. I would have bought a bigger camera than that. Could have bought a Switch.
But you be tuning in from Miami South Beach.
Yeah.
You're where it get litty.
The dog in this bitch, y'all, but y'all here, yeah, came down and talk shit, you hear me? Hold on,
He eating it, bitch.
What up, man?
Outside of KOD now. Wait, what you doing? Oh, dancing with the water. Dancing for my. They got shot.
That much on my shirt, that mean I took one. Shit.
Man, y'all add me on Instagram at Sheen Full Time.
She's so fucking sexy.
Wait, say it again.
Sheen Full Time, y'all add me on Instagram.
Okay, and what is yours?
Cash Con Blur, you know what I'm saying?
That's Hennessy.
You don't like Henny?
I like
I'm
him.
not drinking that. What's yours?
Like, comment, subscribe, all that.
Vlogging.
What's up, bro?
We're about to check out, you guys.
Look, we got Patron. How the fuck did we end up?
Y'all, we Spring break is officially over. Well, we're finna go to the design district, so I'm gonna get y'all some content there. Ooh, that pink. Look at this one. It's like Napoleon. This me. It's raining a little bit, y'all. My girl just got her some Burberry. Thank you. You're welcome. I'm back. Thank you so much.